DIY thrift flip. How to turn old thrift chairs into either a bench or a storage table.
If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. This is a bench that I made some time ago and I was going to use it in front of my bed, but this is where it ended up because I already have something much better in front of my bed. I also have a DIY for this. The link for this is going to be down in the description box below. Now you can see where the other one is at that little corner, and it is not serving as a bench anymore. I would rather want it to be some sort of storage. Now this is a short clip of how I turned old thrift chairs into the bench that you see at the corner of my room. To avoid this video from being too lengthy, this is just a short clip. Now the link for the entire video is going to be down in the description box below. Like I said, this doesn't make sense at this corner at all. So what I'm going to do is turn it into some sort of table that has storage. I'm going to leave this part here, but then I'm going to be removing the parts that I don't need. And the two sides of the bench will be removed to face the other side. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Now at this stage, you can leave it the way it is and just have something on top and then use the bottom part to store other things that you can access easily. The tops here are now facing outward, which is okay because there are tons of tables out there that they sell that have tops facing that direction. I'll be removing these wooden obstructions here with my saw. And after that, the parts that don't have the white paint will be painted white. I let it dry for some few hours, and then after that I covered up the holes with gems. I'm gonna measure and cut out a wood piece that I'll be using for the top. I'm also gonna be cutting another piece for the bottom. Because of the shape of the chair, I needed help to have the wood being held for me while I attach it to the chair. And I'm going to be using corner braces to attach the wood piece to the chair. My hubby wanted doing this for me, but I insisted that I was going to do it myself. Thank you very much. So when I was done, as you can see, I added another piece of wood here at the bottom. I covered a board with the fabric that I had removed from the foam that served as the seating for the bench that I had before. And this was attached at the back. I covered the bottom part with poster board and the top part with contact paper. I wanted using ordinary wood for the front, but I changed my mind and used plexiglass. I got this plexiglass from Home Depot. I cut it to size with my jigsaw and attached it with hinges. While up here to hold the plexiglass, I'll be using a catch with strike that I also got from Home Depot. Because I didn't want the screws to come out of the wood at the top, I had to add foam boards right there, as you can see, before then attaching it. Here's this mirror knob that has the strongest adhesive ever. You can use this knob on a very heavy door and it won't come off. So it's really important that when you're attaching it, you have to make sure that you have the exact position where you want it to be, because it's not going to come off. I have tried and it will not come off. So it is the perfect knob when you want to work with glass. The link for that is going to be down in the description box below. I decided much later to spray paint the front part silver. I covered up the screws here with gems. I had removed the knobs that were on the wood at the sides here earlier when I started the project because I thought I was going to need that corner, but apparently I didn't. So I put them back with a strong adhesive like I did for the first time. I used the same onlay here, spray painted it silver, cut out some parts that I didn't really need, just so that it would flow with the design that's at the bottom. And then I attached it there in a way that's going to be easy to open the door. Like I said earlier, I decided to just go with something transparent so I can see what's on the inside. But if you would like to recreate this look and you don't want to use a plexiglass or glass, you can also use wood. I attached push lights inside, and this push light uses a remote to make it easy to turn the lights on and off. I put it back at that corner that's in my bedroom, and now that I look at it, I might probably just keep that corner empty and then take the table and put it somewhere, maybe in the hallway. This was quite an interesting DIY for me, and I hope you all enjoyed it too as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.